Hi friends, so today I'm going to be reading a book called Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, frilliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said pig, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. Uh-oh. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all of his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Uh-oh, now they're both stuck. Help, help, cried Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with pig and sheep. Up with a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Then the hen came flapping with chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. All done.